In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a Discord bot and obtain the bot key token, which is essential for integrating your bot with Discord servers. Step 1. Set up a Discord developer account. Log in to Discord first. Ensure you have a Discord account. If you don't have one, go to discord.com and create your account. Access the Discord developer portal. Open your browser and go to Discord developer portal. Sign in with your Discord account to access the developer portal. Step 2. Create a new application. Click New Application. On the dashboard of the developer portal, look for the New Application button located in the top right corner and click on it. Name your application. You'll be prompted to name your new application. Choose a unique and memorable name for your bot. Create the application. Once you've chosen a name, click Create. Your application is now created. Step 3. Create your bot. Navigate to the Bot section. On the left side of the screen, under your newly created application, click on the Bot tab. Add a bot on the bot page. Click the Add Bot button. Confirm by clicking Yes, do it to proceed with creating your bot. Step 4. Obtain your bot token key. Find your bot token. After creating your bot, you will see a section labeled Token. Click the Copy button next to the token to copy it to your clipboard. This is your bot's unique token key. Keep your token secure. Important: this token is crucial for the bot's authentication. Never share your token with anyone. If someone gains access to it, they can control your bot. If you believe your token has been exposed, you can regenerate a new one from the same page. Step 5. Invite your bot to a server. Optional. Go to the OAuth 2 section. If you want to invite your bot to a Discord server, navigate to the OAuth 2 tab on the left panel of the developer portal. Select Permissions. In the OAuth 2 section, scroll down to find the OAuth 2 URL generator. Select the bot scope and choose the permissions your bot needs, such as read messages and send messages. Generate an invite link. After selecting the necessary permissions, scroll up and copy the generated OAuth 2 URL. Paste this URL into your browser, select the server you wish to invite the bot to, and click Authorize. Complete CAPTCHA. You may need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a bot. Follow the instructions to complete the process. Step 6. Use your bot token. Once you have the bot token, you can use it in your bot's code or integration to connect to Discord. Keep in mind that your bot token is the key to authenticating your bot and allowing it to interact with servers. Conclusion: congratulations! You've successfully created your Discord bot and obtained the bot token key. You can now begin programming your bot or adding it to different servers to interact with users. Just remember, always keep your bot token private to ensure the security of your bot. This version focuses solely on the steps to get the bot key without mentioning any code. It's designed to be straightforward and suitable for a YouTube tutorial. Let me know if you need further revisions.